Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to go over a quick little light card I made. I just recently installed some Xsky Zigbee lights, 6-inch can lights in my living room. And I was trying to find a clean way to make them look. So the way I set them was like this. You know, I wrote some scripts. Turn them on. And then I also wrote some code in there to make sure that everything stays the same color. So how I did this is I pretty much just wrote scripts for the lights, but I'll show you the code for the whole thing. I'm using a vertical stack for these three, and then I'm using another stack with the custom paper buttons row entity, and then I pretty much just have the scripts set up on each one of these that I have pre-made. You'll notice the colors of the buttons are the same thing that are in the scripts, which I'll show you next. It just allows for an overall clean looking appearance. So if we go to our scripts, you look at our can lights. I just did that, and what I pretty much did is I just copied the color code onto the paper button rows, paper button entity card. Anyway, I think that's a clean look to it. So you pretty much have all four of your lights turn on when you hit the button, and then now you adjust the brightness. Still new to Zigbee, so I'm used to Z-Wave and all the other technology, but Zigbee's fairly new to me, so I'm still learning pretty much as I go. But so far, I've been very impressed. I love the lights, and I will go to them right now. There are these four lights, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and I guess I should also show for the slider, I am using it's another custom card, slider entity row. And if needed, I can make another video where I show how to add them and where to get them from. But yeah, that's pretty much covers this. I hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for more, and let me know in the comments if there's anything else in particular you would like to see. Thanks.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.